Hey guys, welcome to Binize channel. Today I'm gonna introduce you how to plug in the AO box correctly. As you can see, the connection via interface and the SIM card and micro SD card slot are separately. And if you pay much attention, you will find that there are two little signs for guiding. Insert the SD card correctly, then press the edge of the card into it with a skillful force until you hear a click. There is a connection wire. Make sure both ends of the cables are connected tightly. And by the way, it also has a Type-C converter, which is designed for the external needs from your car. You can directly put it on the original connection line as long as your car needs it. Thanks so much for watching this video and welcome to purchase from Binize.com to find more discount.